Hello and welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a little update on what's been happening on the layout over the last couple of months. I always say it, but not a lot has happened, but then again I suppose it has really. But I'll talk you through basically what's happened is. So this is obviously a new section. You might be wondering like why this is new, because if you remember I did have a track here previously that was all ballasted and it looked okay, but for some reason the line just wasn't running very well, because basically there was, see that little curve, the tracks used to be a lot further over this way, so it was much more of a tighter curve, and you can also tell we've had to give it a little ramp because for some reason the baseboard in the other room is slightly higher than the one in here. So basically what was happening before, I'll just let the trains go past. Yeah, so what was happening before was it was too tight of a curve, and it was just causing the trains, some trains, to derail going up and or down the slight incline. So basically what we've done is cut the wall out a bit more in there, just in the tunnel, and we've been able to totally rework the track so it's further over this way, giving us a less of a curve, if you will. But I'll take you into the other room in a minute and show you what's happened in there too. Okay, so in the other room is where most of the changes has actually happened. As you can see, the track layout is quite a lot different to how it used to be. Before, the running lines were obviously further, probably more in this position, and I had two sidings that went down there. But now I've just got one, as there's only room for one, and I've put in this nice little passing loop with this class 105 sitting on it at the minute, and that extends all the way around here and joins back on just here. So that just gives us an extra bit of play value to the railway. Sort of a bit like a fiddle yard, but obviously I don't have enough room for a fiddle yard. But it basically means we can have a train either running on either two of these lines. One of them can be stopped and then the other train can come through. Bit similar to what's going on here, so easily I can just stop the train there and send that one out on its way, and also I've got a train waiting on this little loop here, so it just gives us an extra bit of play with the layout. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's happened. I'm just going to leave that unballasted for now to see how we get on before we get any more derailments or anything, but so far it's running very well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave you with some running videos now. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's been happening. Oh, and before I forget, I have also got a couple of new purchases. I recently acquired this EWS Class 67. That's a lovely little runner, and also up here, where is it? This one. This lovely Virgin Class 47, and that's the new tooled version. And that's a lovely locomotive. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been happening on the layout. major structural work pretty much. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave you some video of the layout now.